Welcome, everyone. You would be delighted to know that the Department of English and Modern Languages of North-South University is hosting for the second time International Language League, an Olympiad-based language competition sponsored by Bakeman's Biscuit. This competition has different segments in Bengali, English, German, French, and Chinese. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the exciting segments of the Language League. Students from various educational levels, junior, secondary, higher secondary, and tertiary level can participate. The segment is split into different sections. The segment will have 3 rounds. The first round, the divisional round, will take place in the students' own educational institutions. The semi-final and final rounds will take place in North-South University's campus. In order to participate in this competition, students must write an original story within 500 to 700 words. Students must write the story. The story must be handwritten, which means students must bring their own stationery, except for answer papers, which we will provide to them. Please know that the use of electronic devices is strictly prohibited during the competition. Adopting any unfair means will also cause the student to face penalties. Marks distribution will be based on plot, grammar and language, authenticity, and context. If this is something that excites you, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and apply. Registration is now open at the Language League website, www.languageleague.info. Good luck, everyone!
Audio Jungle.